The 7-inch 1080p wireless backup camera offers a simple and quick installation with its strong magnetic base, allowing you to attach it securely to metal surfaces without the hassle of complex wiring. This backup camera is solar-powered and features a rechargeable battery, offering up to 24 hours of use on a full charge, ensuring continuous operation regardless of weather conditions. Equipped with dual antennas, the camera system provides a significantly enhanced signal reception, operating at a transmission speed of 2.4 gigahertz to minimize frame drops and delays. With a 7-inch display and 1080p resolution, the camera delivers a clear and vibrant image, while its night vision capabilities and sunshade cover enhance visibility in various lighting conditions. The system supports up to 4 cameras, offering a comprehensive view with its 150-degree viewing angle and adjustable parking guidelines, reducing blind spots and enhancing safety. Features like continuous DVR loop recording and IP69 waterproofing ensure the camera is versatile and reliable, suitable for various vehicle types and weather conditions.